Hi everyone, I'm Levikah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've clicked on this video, then I know one thing about you, that you want to speak English fluently and confidently. But somehow you feel stuck. I mean, you start learning, you improve a little, then you feel blank again. It's like you're back to zero. If that's you, then don't worry. You're not bad at English, you just follow the wrong method. In this video, I'm going to give you the clear roadmap so that you can speak English fluently and confidently. You can treat this as a 30-day, 60-day or a 90-day challenge. That part is totally your choice. I'm not going to force you timings like 20-minute this, 1 hour that, because most of you think we don't have that much time. And that's totally okay. This roadmap totally depends on you, how passionate you are, how smartly you want to use your day. I'll only give you the structure, how to go from basic to advanced with the same blueprint I followed. So let's start. Step 1. Forget grammar. Firstly, forget grammar. Yes, I'm serious. Grammar is not the reason people become fluent. Grammar becomes important only when you start learning rules instead of learning naturally. When you focus too much on was or were, is or are, will or shall, your brain gets confused. And confusion kills fluency. Fluent speakers don't think of rules, they think of the meaning. Step 2. Every language works on 4 skills: listening, writing, reading, and speaking. Now think about a newborn baby. Did the baby learn the grammar first? No. He listened first. From environment, from parents, then slowly words came. Then sentences, and then conversations. That's exactly how English works. Even if English is not spoken around you, you can create an English environment. Step 3. Listening is where everything begins. Whatever you do in Hindi, change the medium to English. For example, watching news, watch the English news. Watching movies, watch them in English. Listening to songs, add English songs to your playlist. Watching interviews, watch the English ones. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to make everything sound natural to you. Sound English natural to you. And this is not even a long process. Just in 2 to 3 weeks, your brain starts understanding patterns. Step 4. Now comes reading. If your academic books are in English, great. If not, then build a small habit of reading English books. Even 10 to 15 minutes are enough. Start with small books, like children novels are perfect. You don't have to force yourself to learn, because listening and reading will automatically connect to your mind. Step 5. Now comes the most important part. Speaking. Most people think I'll start speaking after vocabulary, after grammar, after confidence. No, start speaking from day 1. No one is listening to you. No one is judging you. When you wake up in the morning, start naming things. Yes, it actually helps. Like, there is the bed. This is a table. I'm getting ready. Broken English is perfect English at the beginning. While traveling, I'm on the road. I'm in my car. At work or school, I have work today. I need to finish this task. Speak whatever you know, even it's basic. That's how fluency is built. Step 6. Once sentences feel easier, then start talking in paragraphs. Like, describe what you see. Describe your day. Talk to yourself. This road is busy. There are many people. I'm going to work. This is called a monologue, and it's extremely powerful. Step 7. If you don't have anyone to practice your English with, no worries. You can use a mirror, a phone camera. Pretend you are teaching someone. Explain what you studied today in English. And if you have even one person to speak English with, start speaking. Don't worry about mistakes because you are doing this for yourself, not for others. Step 8. This is where the magic happens. Whatever you hear, read, or speak, repeat it in your mind. Use new words in your daily life. Don't translate, experience the language. Slowly, your English will become natural. So remember, you don't need extra time. You don't need any pressure. Just change the medium of speaking and you'll see the difference. Immerse yourself in English and fluency will follow itself. Make this year the year you finally become a confident English speaker. And if you want guided practice, then check the links in the description. So this is Levikah and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.